just finished up at the gym. I was starving and craving Subway. I got some. I'm whispering right now because my husband and my daughter are sleeping. A foot-long cold cut combo on Italian herbs and cheese bread, toasted with habanero cheese. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks good. For toppings, I get lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, onions, cucumber, and hot banana peppers. Then for sauces, I get extra mayo, house sauce, chipotle sauce, salt, pepper. Let's try this. You need extra sauce. Extra sauce is necessary. So good. Because obviously Subway, like for the most part, I think most people think Subway's good, but it's especially good when you're craving it and they get your order like, I don't know, sometimes it hits and sometimes it doesn't hit. Today it's hitting, I think because the amount of sauce is right. When the sauce is right. Anyway, I'm gonna go finish this while watching something. I just felt like, I don't know, I've been in a recording mood. So yeah, anyway, bye for now.